Hi, I'm Melissa.
I'm Amelia.
I'm Marie.
I'm Julia.
I'm Emily.
Happy Woolly Wednesday!
Hey y'all, we are so ready for fall, and this show we are rolling out the pumpkins. It's all about pumpkins today, so we love fall. And you know what? One of my favorite things about fall is the pumpkins.
Yes.
Numerous times I have
Agree.
filled my vehicle with as many pumpkins as it will hold. Yeah, what do you guys like about fall?
Kind of on the same vein, I just love decorating so
Yes.
much. Like just getting out all your pumpkins and your candles and just making that aura kind of
Yeah,
exist.
cozy.
Yeah.
Being, down here in Texas, I feel like it's the time when we really actually get outside and can finally be outside and enjoy some cool weather all cozied up.
Yeah. I love the leaves changing. We don't get as much of that here,
That's
but
true.
yeah.
Yeah, so let us know what you love about fall. Maybe it's different where you are. Tell us about the big deal happening in fall. Let us know down below so that we can help celebrate fall where you are too.
Yes. And to help us roll out the pumpkins, we're going to go to our very funny fairy in the field, Kayla.
Hey there, felting friends! Happy Woolly Wednesday! We are just falling in love with these seasonal goodies we have to share with you guys today. But before we start the fun, how about a little fairy funny? So, what do you call a pumpkin in a suitcase?
What do you call a pumpkin in a suitcase?
That would be a Pack-O-Lantern. Thanks so much, everyone. Have fun today, and I'll catch up with y'all next week.
Thank you, Kayla. Y'all leave some love for Kayla, would you? Now, everyone's participating over in the live chat and down below. She comes up with all these jokes for us every show, and dang it, we appreciate it, and we appreciate you too. Yeah, so when you leave a comment, whether it's in the live chat, we always do a winner during every live chat, but we also pull winners from the comments down below. Who's got our winner today? Oh, yeah, Emily!
Okay. Who do we have? Jessa Ireland says, I can definitely relate to art being therapy. I love working with wool because you can go in so many different directions with it. I also love needle felting because I own 2 sheep of my own.
Oh.
Their names are Sean and Shauna.
Oh, perfect.
That's really sweet.
Yeah,
Aw.
congratulations.
Yeah.
Yeah, so much. Well, thank you for participating. Just let us know down below anything you love about fall. And we have so many pumpkins to thrill you with this week. So let's check out some of your makes right now. This week's So Inspired is, of course, felted pumpkins.
Oh my goodness.
I love these pumpkins from Stephanie. The colors, I love the depth of colors, especially in the green. It's gorgeous.
They look painted, y'all.
They do.
And she used the real stems.
That's
I like the difference in texture between Pamela and Stephanie, like the needle felted texture with that fuzzy lushness, but also the smoothness of the wet felt. On Stephanie's.
I love the green on those pumpkins by Pamela. The leaves are really nice.
A little vibrant.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are festive. I love all of them for sure. Yeah, I do think the ones on the right look painted. They're amazing.
They really do.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Goodness, he's so cute.
I love that the eyes are so expressive. Yeah. And you got the little dewdrops on the leaves. That's beautiful.
how's that even possible?
And I love the texture on Darlene's with the locks.
Yeah, like when they get those like little
Gordy warts.
Yeah, that's exactly
I
like that.
love that texture.
I love that too.
And it's a cool way to achieve it.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
But these extreme base, these are perfect.
I mean, she just
So
nailed
good.
those,
Yeah.
right?
That's
Wow.
amazing.
And also, Perry's like pumpkin snowman.
But
I
also,
love him.
he's also kind of got a skeleton mouth.
Yeah.
I really like him.
And his little
a
acorn
friendly
lantern,
skeleton.
too.
Yeah.
He's like scarily happy.
He's so
scary.
cute.
Follow me.
Oh.
That's another great example of one of our, kids that we teach our tutorials, the jack-o'-lantern.
Yeah.
It's so cute.
The jack-o'-lantern is a fun project for sure.
I love that the locks is the hair, too.
Yeah.
Shad's, it looks huge.
I know.
I'm wondering the size of that. That's amazing.
Very menacing indeed.
Yeah.
Good job.
I love
2 different sides of the same.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Aw.
Oh.
How whimsical,
Yeah.
right? Wendy's got a whole fall scene there.
That's a great photo too.
She have like autumn leaves in there too.
And that wet felted background.
Yeah, I don't think there's anything but wool. I love it.
Right. Mm-hmm.
I love the opening that Virginia's pumpkin house has. Also,
Yeah.
like that was like a very thoughtful extra step, I feel like.
And the little
Yeah, it's
mushroom.
just like our tutorial, a little door. Yeah. It's so sweet. Swings open, closed.
So cute.
I know. I like our colors.
Ooh, wow. That's such a cute little pumpkin stack. I love, love, love the colors on that top pumpkin.
Oh yeah, I do too.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous.
Very festive, isn't it? So cute.
And again, some amazing wet felted pumpkins.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're making me want to make one.
I know. I was going to ask you if you were going to try that this year.
I think I have to.
And we have a little tip coming up on that here in a minute, y'all. So if you want to check those out, coming up. Here's more.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
They're so great. Everyone's doing so
Right?
great.
Those are really good.
Their expressions.
They're so
It
funny.
makes me so happy.
Really good.
The one super happy guy on the right.
Yeah.
And Shirley's pumpkin's so good. I like the one that's like Zen Garden, the stone colors.
Yeah, that one as well.
Fun take on the colors, like a blue pumpkin. How fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen some of the blue ones I've seen are my favorite, and I've not made a blue one. These are also festive, y'all. Getting us in the spirit.
Wow, weren't those some great pumpkins?
Yeah.
There were so many amazing pumpkins. Like,
You just want to felt all the pumpkins.
I do.
Let us know down below what inspired you out of these. Leave some love for all these wonderful
please do.
creations. We love reading what you guys have to say and what inspires you.
And they will love reading them too.
Yes,
Just getting some
definitely.
feedback always makes your heart swell a little bit. doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're
So
great.
fun. Yeah.
I think it's time for another winner.
Ooh.
We pulled these from the comments, so definitely comment down below. Our winner is Woolly Pumpkin.
Wow.
They say, so much inspiration here. I haven't done many landscapes, but a lot of these have me ready to attempt another one. I have trouble getting depth in that 2D plane, but these are fantastic.
Oh yeah, that was a fun show for sure.
Yeah.
Yay, congratulations, Woolly Pumpkin.
Yeah, so if you win a prize on the show, just remember to reach out to us via the Contact Us page and say that the girl's always looking for you anyway. But just say Woolly Wednesday winner and we'll make sure to get your goods to you. And the fairies have some great stuff to share with you for this week, kicking off our fall season with pumpkins. So let's go check it out.
These are needle felted fairy tale pumpkins. These are one of my favorite kits. They are great for fall and get you in that fall spirit. This is a great beginner friendly kit because you're going to learn how to needle felt those firm pumpkin shapes, add these fun little pumpkin lobes and curly stems, and you're also going to learn how to blend the fiber to get this wonderful little mottled texture effect as well. And this comes with printed instructions as well as a free video tutorial. And the kit's going to come with all the fiber you need to make 2 pumpkins about this size or even 1 big pumpkin. All you're going to need are those basic needle felting tools like needles, and a needle felting knot.
For any time of year, our Out of the Fire Mix Studio pack is great to add some heat to any of your felted projects. This pack comes with Bergschaft and Maori, 6 colors and 1/2 ounces of each color. This pack is really popular with needle felting because it has your crossed fibers and a short staple length. If you're a wet felter and you're wanting to felt something firm, check out this pack because these are great fibers for that. This work is by Josephine Adams Cook. She says, revisited the pumpkin house tutorial and I'm so pleased with the results.
Man.
This is so great. Oh my goodness. I love the colors and
Yeah.
the was it the little mushroom
Mm-hmm.
on for the little awning?
The overhang.
So cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. I do. I love the colors.
Yeah.
The colors are great.
And the little acorn cap for the light by the door. That's so cute.
Oh yeah, we actually did that. That was what we did on the tutorials, and she had one. And I like her stem color really goes
It really
with her,
does.
and her stone steps are just perfect, aren't they?
Yeah, and the little detail of the little smokestack too.
And the little pumpkin. It's so cute. If I saw that at a fair, I'd buy it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially that beautiful blue.
Yeah, I
Orange
love that
box.
blue.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Great.
Yeah. Great job, Josephine. We're all just crushing right now. Your pumpkin.
This next love bomb is from Sue Van Lith from California.
Wow, these guys are so cute.
They are. It looks like such a great kind of play off of our extreme faces almost.
Yeah. But a very gentle play, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Not as extreme.
I like the neps for freckles on the lower guy.
It's so cute. I love how he's looking up too at his other.
Yeah.
The guy's on his head.
I love the color progression too, with like pumpkin spice, mandarin, and then honeysuckle.
Maybe, yeah.
Like, I love that transition and how they stack on top of each other so perfectly.
For sure.
I'm loving all the eyes as well. They're all so different, and the colors too are so fun.
And I like how she added kind of our wet felting autumn leaves at the bottom.
Yeah.
And our needle felted acorns.
Yeah. So sweet, Sue. This is just a very happy little sculpture. Sweet.
Hey friends, I'm here today to encourage you to get in on this wet felted pumpkin thing and explore and have a good time. So if you're pretty new to wet felting or wet felting over resist, if you're feeling timid at all, you could start with something like a simple wet felted pumpkin. Now we have video tutorials for these, but I just want to give you a little insight so that maybe if you're thinking about trying it, this helps just get you a little bit brave. We do have a PDF on our site, and this will be on the episode page for today. You could get a PDF to make both of the pumpkins I'm showing you, but you can also watch them on our YouTube channel, so the links will be in the show info below as well. And originally birthed this idea with the fairy tale pumpkin. It literally just came to me one day and I had to try it. So that is these very complex looking pumpkins that they're so fun to make. They do take a little time, but the reward is amazing. And I'll give you a little insight on how to do that. But if you're nervous, know that you can start with a very simple wet felted pumpkin. You'll learn how to make the same type of stem and this close it up on the top, and it's a very simple format, and you can make them in any color. I've made them in orange and purple and white in these modeled colors as well. Super fun. So this is a simple wet felted pumpkin, and this PDF will guide you just in the one page. Then, if you're ready and you want to explore, try this wet felted pumpkin. The year we shared this, so many people got the PDF and tried this, and we were floored by the pumpkins they made. They're so beautiful, and you can make them in any color and display them year round. I've seen the most beautiful blue pumpkins. The first ones I ever saw were made from our friend Joyce Hazelrig, and she makes these every year and sells them. And lots of people actually make them every year and sell them. So just a little insight. This is made over what's called a book resist or a book page resist. And I plan out complex resists like that on paper first. Just to give you an idea, a book page, and this is going to make sense to you, I just put staples here because this is just a planner. How am I going to do this and what's the size going to be? And what we'll do is we're going to felt. Each of these pieces of paper represents one of these, I call them lobes. I don't know what they're really called, but one of these lobes. So this is what you'll see in the tutorial, is this is my original plastic, and I sewed it. I just stitched it together, and these little tabs help me grab it. In the video, I give you some other tips on how to separate your pages. And this is just an example of a different shape, a little taller pumpkin that I made, and fewer lobes. I do like at least 7 lobes. I've also done 9, which we'll look at this guy right here. So multiple lobes is great and will be very interesting. And the little dip in the top is how you get the pumpkin squatty, right? So this is what you're wet felting over. And in the video, we take you through it, and the PDF does as well. And basically, we're wet felting each of these pages. So it's called a book page resist. And in flat, this is kind of what that looks like. You're felting these individual pages, and we're going to give you tips for making sure that you only have an opening on one end. This one has an opening on 2 ends, and we use it as a teaching model so that you can see how it comes together. And the real trick to making these look beautiful is overstuffing them. You're going to stuff every single lobe. So when you make yours, you're only going to have an opening on one end, and that'll be here where the stem goes, and you'll stuff it all from the top. And ideally, this part will be closed. But if for any reason you have any hole on the bottom, well, you can just seal it up or cover it up. Like this one doesn't have a hole on the bottom. You could just put a little bit of wool over there and cover it up or stitch something onto the bottom. So I want to encourage you to try this project. We call it the Fairy Tale Pumpkin. Super fun, so rewarding, and you can really have a good time using hankies and bamboo and neps and whatever all else you want to put in there. And I found that the fastest, most rewarding way to felt them is with the short fiber merino. But for my very first ones, most of my first ones, I used merino top. So use a fine fiber like merino top or short fiber merino, and you'll make some fast pumpkins. So give this a try, and if you do, please tag us so we can see what you make.
Hey guys, we got a lot of great sales going on our felting tutorials and felting supplies. So definitely get our newsletter so you can always know what's going on and check those sales out.
To see any of the things that we shared today, check out the episode link down below.
And if you're ready for more projects, also check out the link down below, or fall. The link down below. Huh?
Yeah, we'll see y'all next time. Be really good to yourselves, and we'll be back next week. See you then.
Bye.
Bye.